Did you know that over 90% of automatic transmission failures are caused by simple maintenance issues that most drivers ignore? That's right. Something as basic as skipping a fluid check or shifting gears too soon can quietly destroy one of the most expensive parts of your car. But here's the good news. Avoiding transmission failure isn't rocket science. It's all about smart habits and a few preventative tips. In this video, we are going to uncover 7 tips to make your transmission last longer. Stick around till the end because tip number 6 is the one that most mechanics won't even mention. Let's jump in and save your transmission before it's too late. Tip number 1. Check and change transmission fluid regularly. Your transmission fluid is like the blood of your vehicle's transmission system. Just like engine oil, this fluid lubricates, cools, and powers internal components. If the fluid level gets too low, friction increases and components overheat, which may lead to premature wear or total failure. Most drivers never even check it until the gears start slipping. Check your transmission fluid once a month. Pull the dipstick while the engine is warm and look at the color. It should be bright red or pink, and also smell it. If it is dark or smells like burnt toast, it means you need to change your fluid. Manufacturers usually recommend to change the transmission fluid between 30,000 to 60,000 miles for automatics, but some newer vehicles stretch it further. Therefore, it is always recommended to consult your owner's manual. Tip number 2. Always use the right transmission fluid for your car. Using the correct transmission fluid is not optional, it's essential. Every vehicle is engineered to operate with a specific type of transmission fluid that has the right viscosity, friction modifiers, detergents, and additives tailored to that transmission's design. If you use the wrong fluid, it can cause serious problems like poor shifting, gear slippage, overheating, or even complete transmission failure. Modern transmissions, especially CVTs and dual-clutch automatics, are highly sensitive and require precisely formulated fluids. Always check your owner's manual or contact the dealership to confirm the exact specification, like Mercon LV, Dexron 6, Toyota WS, etc. Some transmissions even void warranties if the wrong fluid is used. It's one of the easiest ways to keep your transmission running strong for years. Tip number 3, avoid aggressive driving and sudden gear changes. Driving aggressively, like hard acceleration or slamming into reverse from drive, puts intense stress on transmission components. When you shift quickly without letting the vehicle come to a full stop, then you force gears to lock into place with momentum working against them. Over time, this can cause internal damage, especially to the clutch packs and valve body. Fast, jerky movements wear down parts designed for smooth operation. Instead, practice deliberate driving. Let the car come to a full stop before shifting and accelerate steadily. Your transmission will thank you by lasting much longer. Tip number 4. Don't tow beyond your car's capacity. Towing heavy loads without the proper vehicle setup is a surefire way to burn out your transmission. Extra weight means your engine and transmission have to work harder, which causes to generate more heat than usual. Heat is the #1 enemy of a transmission. It breaks down fluid quickly and damages seals, bearings, and clutches. Every vehicle has a maximum towing capacity listed in the manual, and exceeding it shortens lifespan drastically. If you tow often or carry heavy loads, make sure your vehicle is equipped with a tow package and consider installing a transmission cooler. Staying within limits keeps things running smooth. Tip number 5. Let your vehicle warm up in cold weather. On icy mornings, most people think warming up the engine is just about comfort or avoiding foggy windshields. But the truth is, your transmission needs that warm-up even more than your heater does. When the temperature drops, transmission fluid thickens, and it doesn't circulate properly until it reaches optimal viscosity. If you start driving aggressively right after a cold start, then the fluid won't be able to lubricate the moving parts properly. This creates friction and can lead to premature wear or even transmission slipping. Letting your vehicle idle for just 30 to 60 seconds in freezing weather allows the fluid to start flowing properly and lubricate critical components. It's not about wasting fuel, it's about saving thousands in repairs down the line. Tip number 6, install an external transmission cooler. Heat is the silent killer of transmissions. Automatic transmissions are extremely sensitive to heat. Once transmission fluid hits 200 degrees Fahrenheit or more consistently, it begins to degrade, and above 250 degrees Fahrenheit, it can fail completely. But an auxiliary transmission cooler is a game changer. It acts like a mini radiator just for your transmission fluid, helping keep it cool under pressure. This is especially important if you drive in heavy traffic, live in a hot climate, or tow often. Even a small cooler can drop fluid temperatures by 30 to 50 degrees, which adds years to your transmission's life. Spending $100 to $200 on a cooler now can easily save you thousands in repairs later. Think of it as life insurance for your transmission. Tip number 7, use the parking brake every time. Most drivers skip using the parking brake on automatic transmissions, but this can actually damage the internal mechanism that holds your car in park. When you park on an incline without using the parking brake, the entire weight of the car rests on a small component called the parking pawl inside the transmission. Over time, this stress can wear out the pawl or even cause it to break. Using the parking brake takes the pressure off the transmission and stabilizes the vehicle more securely. It's a small habit that makes a big difference in prolonging transmission health. That's it for this video. Which of these tips were you already doing and which ones surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, drive smart, stay safe, and take care of that transmission.